In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Discord server region. If you've ever had choppy audio, high ping, or people talking over each other because of delay, adjusting the region for a voice channel can make a big difference. Discord routes voice traffic through data centers around the world, and choosing one closer to your group often improves clarity and reduces latency. First, open Discord. You can use the desktop app or the browser version. Either works the same for this. Make sure you're signed into the account that has permission to manage channels on the server you want to adjust. Typically, you need to be the server owner or have a role with the Manage Channels permission. Head to the server where you want to make the change. On the left sidebar, find the Voice Channels section and select the specific voice channel you and your friends use. The region setting is applied per voice channel, not across the entire server, so it's important to pick the exact one you want to adjust. Open the channel settings by choosing Edit Channel. On desktop, that's usually done by right-clicking the voice channel name and picking Edit Channel. On mobile, you can tap the channel name, then look for the Settings or Edit option. This opens the channel configuration panel. In the channel settings, stay on the Overview tab and scroll until you find Region Override. By default, Discord sets this to automatic, which lets Discord choose a region for you. If your group is spread across different locations or you're experiencing call quality issues, you can override that choice. Click the drop-down and select a region closest to where most participants are located. For example, if most of your friends are in Western Europe, pick a European region. If they're on the East Coast of the United States, choose a region nearby. The change typically applies immediately. People connected to that channel may see a quick reconnect as the voice server switches, so it's a good idea to let everyone know before you toggle it. If the new region doesn't help, you can switch again or return to automatic at any time. Remember, this only affects the voice channel you edited. If you use multiple voice channels, you'll need to adjust each one as needed. If you don't see region override, make sure your app is up to date and that you have the right permissions. Some servers and newer voice setups still label it as region override, and it functions the same way. That's it. Open Discord, go to your server's voice channel, edit the channel, and choose a region override that best fits your group.